In this video, we'll review human clinical trial data for Health-Bliss herbal waters for blood glucose management. At the outset, I'd like to state that these herbal waters are functional foods or functional waters or supplements that may be considered as an adjunct products for helping you with blood glucose management. All the consumers should continue to follow the regimen prescribed by their physicians. The herbal waters can be consumed by diabetics, pre-diabetics, and wellness-conscious consumers. We'll discuss the importance of blood glucose management and control of blood glucose levels in pre-diabetics in a separate video. These trials were conducted as per international norms and protocols for clinical trials and clinical research. Human clinical trial with Health-Bliss herbal waters for blood glucose management was administered by a third-party clinical research organization. The protocols were developed, reviewed, and approved by Ethics Committee, which consists of a diverse group of people from society, including medical professionals and community representatives, to ensure appropriate safety, protocols are in place, and safety of all the subjects are ensured. The studies were augmented by significant bodies of literature on the ingredients that have been used. As these ingredients are 100% food-grade herbs that are FSSAI approved and have been used in Indian and international cuisines for thousands of years, we assure absolute safety of these ingredients. In addition to this, Health-Bliss conducted toxicology studies with the herbal water in animals and confirmed that the extract had the highest safety rating. This is called GRAS, or generally regarded as safe. We had the highest rating of 5. In the human clinical trial, 45 type 2 diabetics were recruited by the clinical research organization. The subjects were approximately equally distributed by men and women. Extensive baseline results were obtained to measure the blood glucose parameters such as fasting blood glucose, postprandial blood glucose, which is the blood glucose level after 2 hours after consuming a food, HbA1c, which is the 3-month blood glucose average, lipids like cholesterol, triglycerides, VLDL, liver, and kidney function parameters. A total of 23 parameters were measured, which formed the baseline for all the subjects. The 45 subjects were given Health-Bliss herbal waters designed for blood glucose management. They were instructed to consume 15 ml of this herbal water, which was mixed with 500 ml of drinking water. The subjects consumed this water in equal proportions at breakfast, lunch, and dinner time for a period of 6 months. The subjects came in at various predetermined times, and their blood work was performed to measure blood sugars, lipids, kidney and liver function tests, HbA1c, so on and so forth. During this clinical trial period, the subjects continued to consume their normal diabetes medication, as we wanted to measure the herbal water's incremental benefit as a supplement. Firstly, we are happy to report that all subjects enthusiastically completed the clinical trials as they were seeing significant benefits. There was no safety incident reported during the trial. All vital tests such as kidney function and liver function tests were normal during the 6-month trial period. Now, let us review the clinical data trends. In this table, you'll see the tabulation of fasting, postprandial, and HbA1c data for the 45 subjects over the course of 180 days. Average fasting blood glucose levels reduced by 12% in 30 days, 21% in 90 days, and 48% in 180 days. Now let us look at the postprandial blood glucose. This is a measure, as indicated, of blood glucose levels 2 hours after consuming a meal. You see average postprandial blood glucose reduced by 12%, 23% and 43% respectively on day 30, day 90 and day 180, as shown in this table. The all-important HbA1c, or glycated hemoglobin, which is a measure of one's blood glucose control over a 3-month period, reduced by an average of 17% in 90 days and 20% in 180 days, or 6 months of consuming this herbal water. We also compared the key blood parameters between men and women, as you can see in this next table. we found that both women and men saw similar reductions in all blood parameters. Most importantly, all subjects showed lowering of blood glucose parameters. In this table, you'll see the tabulation of lipids, that is total cholesterol, LDL, triglycerides, VLDL, which is showing about 10 to 15% reduction in lipids across the board. Here again, lipids control was similar between men and women. We now went on to also analyze how Health Bliss Waters worked with various medications consumed by the subjects. The diabetics in the study consisted of three main groups of consumers. First group of 11 subjects consumed metformin. The group of 17 subjects consumed metformin plus glycoside. Third group of 15 subjects consumed metformin plus glimepiride. Metformin decreases hepatic glucose production, decreases intestinal absorption of glucose, and also known to improve insulin sensitivity by increasing the peripheral glucose uptake and utilization. Glycoside is a sulfonylurea. The predominant mechanism of action of glycoside is stimulation of pancreas to produce more insulin. Glimepiride is also a sulfonylurea. It lowers blood sugar by stimulating the release of insulin by pancreatic beta cells and thereby inducing increased activity of intercellular insulin receptors. In the table, you'll see fasting postprandial HbA1c worked in a similar fashion irrespective of the medication. In this next table, you'll see lipids levels as a function of Health Bliss water versus each of these groups of medications. Here again, we see similar performance with all parameters, all the lipids parameters. So the data shows incremental improvement in performance among the 45 diabetics above and beyond their current medications being consumed. So the herbal water is showing outstanding performance as a supplement, which is what it was designed to do. It should, however, be noted that this is not a standalone medication. We're able to demonstrate the positive impact of Health Bliss herbal waters as an adjunct supplement. Also, finally, in this graph, gives you an example of how herbal waters worked for each subject. Here in the example, you'll see the plot of fasting blood glucose levels for each of the subjects, and you'll notice how the levels lowered substantially in the 6-month period. It lowered by an average of 48%. Interestingly, you'll also notice that all the subjects' performance were converging in terms of very low subject-to-subject variability. One additional benefit we need to highlight here is that these herbal extracts are produced without any chemicals or solvents. Our bodies have been used to consuming these ingredients for thousands of years, and so there are absolutely no side effects that have also been reported during the clinical trial. So in conclusion, we can note that 1, the product appears to work the same way for men and women. Point 2, the product appears to deliver similar performance in 3 groups of subjects who've been consuming different sets of medication. Next point, there was significant reduction in fasting, postprandial blood glucose, HbA1c, and lipids parameters. Also, all subjects were analyzed for kidney and liver function test, along with various other complete blood picture parameters that showed acceptable performance. Thank you.